Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm back here with another reaction video. And today we got a banger. My boy CKay Love. I still don't know how to pronounce it. Nwantiti. I'm not sure. Live performance, open mic. Now this song went crazy. I love this song. Every time I hear it, it just makes me. I don't know. It puts me in a good mood. So I'm honestly interested to hear how he sound. Like on the open mic, is it gonna still sound the same? Did he get carried by the auto-tune and the other stuff, or like are the vocals really there? So we're gonna see. But either way, we're gonna vibe out to this song. So let's get into it. And I'm gonna pause because this is my first time doing an open mic vid. If it get blocked, it get blocked. Actually, nah, forget it. I'm not gonna pause. We just gonna vibe out. So if it get blocked, y'all not gonna see this. But if it doesn't, then I know I'm not gonna have to pause for videos like this in the future. So let's go.
CKay, my baby, my Valentine. Can I hit the making my temperature rise? If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you're like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest, your loving the thought of me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your gun. Say I did it, I got me she. Say up and I make I see. Yeah, my love Nwantiti. If you make a bad man sing,
Say, nah, let me chill. But look, I still don't know a word he's saying, but it sound good. And as far as his voice, like I could tell he could sing. But I think it sounds better because of two things. Auto-tune definitely does help him and carry him. Whoever mixed and mastered the song did their thing. But also his accent, like it makes the song sound better to me as well. Just off this first 51 seconds, I could tell. But I don't know. He might still surprise me with the little less than 2 minutes he got left in the vid. So we'll see. But we still gonna vibe regardless.
But in a follow come, yeah. Don't be silly, no. Baba got the finish, walk on. Without you, I go feel lose my mind. Without you, I go feel fall and die. Without you, I go give up my life.
Hold on, let me just see something real quick. I know closed captions do not know what he's saying, but let me just see what they do. Oh, they just hit us with it. It's crazy how even closed captions don't know what he said. That is so funny.
I wanna be a lover forever, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this told me what I needed to know about his vocals, and no shade at all. But I already said what I had to say about it. My opinion stays the same. But what I know he's speaking a different language in the song. What language is that? But even the English parts, I still don't be knowing what he's saying. It's crazy how we can just vibe off of like sounds and beats and flows and not know what somebody's saying and still sound good. That's wild to me. But yeah, y'all let me know again what other language he was speaking. But that's going to end this reaction video. I'm not going to like, comment, share, or subscribe because if y'all rock with me, y'all going to do it anyway. And I'm going.